Okay, so boom. These are my top 5 favorite polishes from my collection. First, D&D 118 Unicorn Lovely. I love purple, so that gotta be number 1. Next up, we have D&D Red Carpet 548. And I don't get to use this color a lot, but I like it because unlike regular gel polishes, the clear base actually has a black tint to it, and it's a true red glitter. It's very, very pretty for the holidays. Next up is iGel B13 Blissful Blue. I don't like the polish itself, but I do love this color. It's so cute to me for doing like flowers and butterfly foils, and if I'm not going for purple, I'm going for this. So this is another iGel color, 88 Pumpskin Spice, and I love this because it's a universal nude. It looks fleshy on deeper complexions and very warm on lighter ones, but just perfect. Next up is D&D 559 Teenage Dream, and I don't like pink in real life, but OMG, this one just sets my soul on fire. It's just beautiful. I love it for designs. Hot, raging pink. Okay, so boom, here are some pictures of my work using the colors in this video. Please follow my business Instagram, Flawless by Sheridan. That's SHERIDYN. Yes. And comment down below your favorite color, what polishes you like to use, your favorite gel polish. I am always buying them every time I get supplies, so definitely can use that info. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. It's going to be a nail video.